Today I want to talk to you about the 7 low sugar, high protein mini meals that I personally recommend for people over 40. If you just ate a solid sized lunch, but right after 3 you're at the fridge and rummaging like a raccoon and you're hungry and tired again, if that sounds familiar, your meal size may not be the problem. You may be simply short on protein. The good news, I've created a list of 7 high protein, low sugar mini meals that will help you keep your blood sugar steady. You can take them as snacks or compact options for lunch and dinner. Hi, I'm Dr. Hanz and I'm an internal medicine physician. I spend my days helping busy people manage their stamina, focus, and metabolic health so you can reach your goals and enjoy life. The truth is, when you lean heavily on refined carbohydrates and added sugars, your blood sugar can rise quickly. Then it drops afterwards. That dip is the one reason you may find yourself turning into a pantry raiding creature by mid-afternoon. You feel sluggish and your focus drops. Suddenly, you're searching for another lift. But by combining quality protein, fiber, healthy fats, as you keep your added sugar low, you support a steadier energy curve throughout your day. So let's kick things off with our 7 high protein, low sugar mini meal lineup. First, turkey ham and herb ricotta toast. Fold 3 slices of regular turkey ham over 2 slices of toasted whole grain bread. You can layer in 1/3 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese and add a quick pinch of black pepper. Doing this, you get about 26 grams of protein along with calcium, selenium, and fiber from the whole grains. It's a simple combination of protein and slow digesting carbohydrates that can help you keep full. Number 2, crispy bacon and ricotta bites. Take 3 slices of crisp, reduced fat bacon, crumble, and sprinkle over 1/2 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese. You can serve it with a vibrant side of fresh cherry tomatoes. This delivers about 22 grams of protein, plus calcium and phosphorus from the cheese. Choosing a leaner meat of bacon option helps keep the saturated fat lower while giving you that savory flavor. Number 3, garlic tofu and mushroom lettuce. You can saute 7 ounces of crumbled extra firm tofu with garlic and 1 cup of button mushrooms. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and spoon it warmly inside 3 crisp cabbages and lettuce leaves. This provides roughly 26 grams of protein along with plant-based calcium, fiber, healthy fats from the chia seeds. If you're chained to a desk or you're a retiree with a jam-packed social calendar, these quick, savory options will fit seamlessly between meetings, errands, and pickleball matches. Now, if you have a serious sweet tooth, well, let's look at how we can satisfy that craving while still hitting your protein goals. With number 4, chocolate peanut butter protein mousse. Whisk 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt with 1 scoop of chocolate whey, protein powder, and 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter. This comes to about 28 grams of protein. You can also get gut-friendly probiotics, calcium, and satisfying healthy fats that help curb dessert cravings. Number 5, chia and hemp dark chocolate protein pudding. You can mix 1 scoop of plant-based chocolate protein powder into 3/4 of a cup of soy milk. Mix in 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. Then chill until set. Doing this, you can get about 25 grams of protein along with some soluble fiber, magnesium, and complete plant proteins. This gives you that rich dessert experience while supporting a steadier energy. Number 6, cinnamon apple cottage cheese cheesecake. Spread 3/4 of a cup of low-fat cottage cheese thickly over a slice of whole grain toast. Top with half a small sauteed cinnamon apple and a tablespoon of crushed pecans. This delivers 27 grams of protein featuring slow digesting casein, complex fiber, and satisfying healthy fats from the pecans. And finally, number 7, loaded cottage cheese, and berry bowl. Combine 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese, half a cup of fresh mixed berries, and 2 tablespoons of hemp heart. This will provide 20 grams of protein along with calcium, berry, antioxidants, and healthy fats from the hemp hearts. This fresh option tastes like a sweet treat, but it stays very low in sugar. Now, before you run off to the grocery store, we need to talk about 4 key matters. First, partner protein with resistance exercise. A high-protein diet works best when it's paired with some form of resistance exercise. Give your muscles a reason to use that protein to stay strong. Second, adequate hydration matters. Your body needs water to support natural kidney function, and it helps process protein breakdown products. Staying hydrated also supports muscle function, nutrient transport, and overall performance. Well, if you're not drinking enough water, you might notice fatigue, cramps. You might even mistake those dehydration symptoms for hunger. Third, read your labels. Brands can vary widely in their protein content and added sugar. Take 10 seconds to check the back of the package. Fourth, and most important of all, check with your doctor before starting or changing any diet plan. Taking care of your health doesn't mean upending your entire life. It's all about small, smart choices that fit your schedule, keep your energy high, protect your metabolic health for the long run. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Stay sharp, strong, and spry. See you in the next one.